Yo, what is up guys? Trent here from How To Haven, back again with another unboxing video. And today we're going to be unboxing the extra sensor for the Oculus Rift. I got this on Amazon, and as Oculus does very well, the packaging looks quite nice. You can see on the back from Facebook with just a few descriptions. Nothing too fancy, but it does look nice and sleek. Now, it also comes with this, which is a USB 2.0. It's basically an extension cable, pretty much, which will help you extend your sensor, because you do have to plug it into your desktop. So you definitely want a longer cable. So it's nice that they include that. It's 16 feet. Now we're just going to open it from the top as such. Pretty simple. And as soon as you open it, the first thing you see is the instructions, safety, and warranty guide, which is nice. It's a very, very thick little booklet. I probably won't ever read that. And that came with its own little piece of styrofoam. Not Velcro. What am I thinking? And then you just have the sensor inside the box. It's not really particularly secured by anything. I would pretty much just pull that out, and there you have it. It looks exactly like the other sensors. So here's another sensor for comparison. And I actually have 3 now, which I will be using instead of 2. I don't know if it'll make much of a difference, but we'll see. And this one will be able to be extended 16 extra feet. Now, I'm not going to bother on opening this cable because, it's just a cable. Nothing special about it. But here's one last look. 16-foot USB extension. Anyways, guys, if you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, comment with any questions, and subscribe if you want to see more good shit. And if I really helped you today, helped you figure out something that you just really needed to know, consider looking at my Patreon page. Anything you might consider donating to me would be extremely helpful in helping me to get more videos out and to help more people. Anyways, guys, have a great day.